Hey guys, welcome to Proto Coders Point. Okay, so in this Android tutorial, we will check out how to create a signed APK of our Flutter application. So in this video tutorial, we will just cover Android part. The iOS part and web part we will cover in some other video. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have already created a Flutter application. It is a simple app where a variable is being incremented when a button is being pressed. Okay, so first of all, we will check out how to change the version of our Flutter app. So for that, go to pub specification.yaml file. Okay, so here you can see there is a version you need to change. So this simply means that 0 plus 1. Therefore, the version will be 1.0.1. Okay, so you can directly input something like this, or you can just change it. So for now I will just change it to 2. Okay, so you can change this version here, and after changing, remember to run this command. Just press the button. Okay, so this will run the pub get button and the pub YAML file gets updated. Okay, so after doing that, uh, in your Android folder there is a property called as local property. Go over here and just after that change this version name to the version you have entered here. So just copy from there and you can just paste it, and the version code should be 2. So this is how you change the Android version code. Okay, so after doing this, then just go to Android app. You will find a build gradle file, open it, and here there is a code that you need to change. Just remember this code, that is 2. The version is 2, version code is 2, and the version name is this thing. Just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so you are done with the changing the version code. Okay, so now to create signed APK, what you need to do is just go to tools, Flutter, and here open for editing Android Studio, and here just open a new tab window. Okay, so this might take some time to build. Okay, so now in our new window, the Android part of our Flutter is been opened. So here you can see just the Android part. So here just there is no need to change anything. Just you go to build. Here you can see a option generate signed a bundle or a APK. Just press it, and here you can choose if you want to create a Android bundle, then that. If you want to create APK, then you can mark this. Next. Okay, so here it is asking you to create a new key store, or you make use of old existing key store. I will just create a new key store. Select a part where you want to create a new key store. So I will just create a new key store in my desktop. I will name the key. I can give any name. This will be new temp key dot jsk. Just enter. Give a password to this key store. I will just enter some numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then change the alias. You can keep any password for this. I will enter the same password for this also. You can give your company name and company location, everything. I will just enter Proto Coders Point over here, and this is not mandatory. You can keep this empty, then hit the OK button. Okay, so now our key is been created and is in desktop. So this is the password. hit next. Okay, so our key store is created in our desktop. So you need to configure it in our Android folder uh, project. So in your Android folder, you need to create one file that is key.property, and there you need to add the key store that you have created. Okay, so for that, just close this window, means Android window. So now you are in Flutter app window, there where Android and iOS both are there. So in Android folder, create a new file and name this file as key.property. Okay, and create it. In this file, you need to add four keys. That is, I will just copy paste it for time saving. So first is password key password alias the file where your key store is present. My password was 123456 001, and the path where the key is desktop. So I will just take the path desktop. So here it is. I think users here desktop, and here it is. Just copy this path and then paste it over here. Okay, and then the file name, that is this new key temp key.jsk. Just copied it, double slash. Okay, so here double slash you need to give if you are using Windows. So this is my path to the key store. Okay, then open this build.gradle file, and just before the starting tag of Android, just copy this code. Okay, so for this code, the link will be in the description. You can get this code. Okay, this simply states that you need to make use of this key dot property file for key storing. Okay, and then you need to configure sign-in configuration. Just before this build type, just paste this code. Okay, so this simply states that you need to generate a released version of our Android or Flutter app, where you state the keys, password, and everything is there over here. Okay, and then in this build here, you need to change this debug to release. Okay, then there you can generate a signed APK. Okay, so after adding all these properties, just go to tools, Flutter, open Android Studio. Okay, and then here in build, generate signed APK bundle, select APK or bundle if you need to create a bundle. Then here it will ask you to choose, means we have already created a key store, so you need to choose, and our key store is present in desktop. Fine for it, you may get something over here. Yeah, here it is. The password was 123456 key. Oh, so the our key is this thing. So here I'm making use of something different. I need to change it, sorry. Okay, so where it is. Okay, sorry, I need to go to our Flutter project, key properties, key alias was this. Okay, so in Windows, in Android window, continue with the same process, generate, select a signed key store. One, two, three, four, five, six. The key store, you can get it over here. The key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it is. Next, release version, APK, and finish. Okay, so now it is creating a signed version of that. Okay, so our app has been created with a signed version APK. So you can locate it. So this is our APK that you can publish in your Play Store. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you understood how to create a signed APK. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point.